Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Yarky Small Car Air Purifier Ionizer. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: powerful smoke and odor elimination, effectively removes 99.97% of strong odors, smoke from the interior of the vehicle by releasing advanced positive and negative ions, ensuring fresh, clean air on every drive. Compact and portable design. Small and sleek, fits perfectly in car vents without obstructing your view, ideal for road trips, commutes, and ride-share drivers. Filter-free and maintenance-free, no costly filter replacements needed. Designed for long-lasting use, saving you time and money. Quiet, automatic operation, features auto on/off functionality, seamlessly activating with your car's airflow and running quietly in the background. USB powered for convenience, easily connects to any USB port for simple, hassle-free setup. Suitable for all vehicles with a USB power source. Effectively neutralizes strong odors and pet dander, offering a comfortable, odor-free environment that's beneficial for passengers sensitive to air quality. Easy installation, no tools required, quick and easy setup with no tools required. Simply clip the purifier onto your car's air vents or place it on your desk for immediate use and effective air purification. Durable and long-lasting performance, built to last with high-quality materials. Enjoy reliable, long-term air purification for years without worrying about wear and tear or maintenance. Removes odors at the source, unlike conventional car air fresheners that only mask odors. The air purifier uses advanced ionizer technology to eliminate airborne pollutants and neutralize odors at their source. Versatile for car, home, and office, ideal for all environments. Whether driving, working, or relaxing at home, this portable air purifier ensures you breathe clean, fresh air in every space. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.